My name is Mary Van Ecke, and I'm the author of the Wild and Wonderful 3D Quilts. You can buy that on my website at maryvanecke.com. And I've basically developed a 3D technique where you apply two quilts, one on top of the other, where the forward one falls away to expose the quilt underneath. And this is a great example of that, a really whimsical example. We're here at the Houston Quilt Festival, and this is in the whimsical category. The technique features a lot of MISTI fuse and a raw cut edge technique with felt as the batting, so the exposed edges show through with the colored felt. It's a whole lot of fun to make this kind of quilt, and I recommend there's a monkey quilt for everybody somewhere in their career. So hopefully you'll take a look at my book and learn how to make it.